Hey guys, thanks for checking out our channel. Today we're going to take a look at our latest listing. It's located in Ashley Forest subdivision right here in Summerville. It's 112 Wachovia. It's a beautiful home, just over 3,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, fully upgraded. It's on a huge lot, just under a half an acre. And make sure you stay tuned and check out what we got as a prize for you in the backyard. It's absolutely beautiful. And if you like what you see, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button. That way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video. Come on in, let's check it out. Hey guys, as you walk into the kitchen that's open to the living room space, you'll have the granite countertops, you have the hardwood floors, double oven, gas range, and a nice exhaust hood. It's pretty awesome. Check it out. Alright guys, here's the surprise. If you want to live in paradise, we have 2,100 square feet of pavered patio out back for great entertainment. And also, if you look over here, we're going to have a concrete pad that's 80 feet long for an RV parking. Huge backyard. It's beautiful. Check it out. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you see, just give us a call or put in the comments what you loved about the video. Click like and hit subscribe, that way you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video, different walkthroughs, different communities. And if you want a private showing, get a hold of us. We're here, we're ready to help you out. Thanks for watching.